Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our journey into Stoic living, where we uncover ancient wisdom to help us navigate the complexities of modern life. Today, we're diving into an incredibly profound concept from Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, as captured in chapter 19 of our ongoing exploration. This chapter is centered around the power of choice, no matter where we find ourselves. Epictetus once said, "Both the tribune and the prison are places. One is elevated, the other is lowly. And the freedom of will can be preserved unchanged if you want to maintain it unchanged in both places." This quote is a powerful reminder that our external circumstances, be they high or low, do not dictate our inner freedom and capacity to choose how we respond. Picture this. Some Stoics of ancient times held high-ranking positions, enjoying wealth and influence, while others occupied the lowest rungs of the harsh Roman hierarchy, facing adversity on a daily basis. Despite these vast differences, the core lesson they share with us, one that remains deeply relevant today, is the focus on what is within our control and letting go of what isn't. No matter where you are in life, be it at the peak of success or in the throes of struggle, there is a constant element, your ability to choose. This power is not altered by external events, but by your perspective and decisions. You may currently be navigating a difficult period, though just a little while ago, life might have been smooth sailing for you. In the future, you could find yourself with so many opportunities that even success starts to feel overwhelming. Yet, our freedom to choose remains our steadfast companion, both in significant and trivial matters. So, how do we harness this freedom in our daily lives? It starts with acknowledging and accepting that we cannot control external events, only our responses to them. This fundamental Stoic principle empowers us to shift our focus inward where true freedom lies. Let's break it down with some practical steps. 1. Awareness of choice. Begin by recognizing that every situation, no matter how daunting or blissful, presents a choice. Your reaction isn't predetermined by the external environment. It's shaped by your internal dialogue and decisions. 2. Assessment of control. Reflect on Epictetus's teachings by consciously distinguishing between what is within your control and what isn't. Emotions, judgments, and actions, in your control. Other people's opinions, events, outcomes, not in your control. 3. Deliberate action. Once you've identified what you can control, commit to making deliberate, value-driven choices. This means aligning your actions with Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Consider this an opportunity to practice resilience. For example, if you're facing a challenging project at work, remind yourself that while you can't control everyone's reactions or the final outcome, you can control your effort, attitude, and commitment to doing your best. Continuing this practice, you'll find that it brings immense inner calm, even in turbulent times. This isn't about suppressing emotions, but rather managing them constructively. It's about maintaining a steady course through life's ups and downs, grounded in the freedom of choice. As we close today's exploration, I encourage you to reflect on how you're exercising your freedom of choice in various aspects of your life. Are there areas where you tend to feel powerless? How can you reclaim your agency in those situations by focusing on what's within your control? Join me in the comments and share your thoughts or instances where you've applied these Stoic principles. Let's learn from each other's experiences and grow together as a community. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more insights on Stoic living. Until next time, remember, wherever you go, the choice is always yours. Choose wisely and live intentionally. I'm Alexius Varro, and I'll see you in the next video.